officially take this time to officially welcome you to something that I've been wanting to do, and we're going to do this in this video. So we're going to do a series of tech hacks, just show you skills in technology that you can use that can help you get out of sticky situations, and also to really impress your friends. So yeah, in the spirit of trying to create a lot of diversity, in the channel, so that you can learn as much as you can and get to see what technology can do for you as well as an individual. So today, imagine that you had a case where you were trying to download something and the link wasn't responding. So whenever you find yourself in such a situation, what you can do is that you can use the UI probably failed, and then there's a way you can fetch that by inspecting the web page and getting the URL that you need. So I will demonstrate that. So this is a custom website that I built to demonstrate this. It has this broken download UI. So the normal download is intentionally blocked by me, so that you can see whenever the button does not work, what can you do. So when you click on the download file, see nothing responds, it doesn't respond. So when you find yourself in situations like this, what you can do, just right click on the web page, go to inspect, and it should open a panel that you can be able to see everything about your current web page. So go to networks. Under networks, just you can clear the traffic, then refresh the page, just to get the page working correctly. And when you click on the download file, you see the file, the HTML actually shows. So for you to get this, just click on the file itself, and the request URL that you will find is this. So highlight it, copy paste it, and then when you paste it in the search bar and click enter, it should automatically start the downloading process. And there you go. Yeah, so that's a pretty neat trick. Anyway, yeah, you can just download that, cool stuff. I don't really need the file for now, but also thank you for watching. I hope that was an insightful video, and I'll see you in the next tech session. Cheers, bye bye.